Whether you think your practice is local or global, make no mistake. The easiest, fastest, and even more fun way of marketing nowadays is the internet. The latest business statistics show that next to the word of mouth, the internet is the most reliable, trusted, and used source of referrals. This is why I urge you to start now, learning as much as you can about how you can leverage the power of the internet to help more people. Hi, I'm naturopathic Dr. Anka Martolog of PatientsMagnet.com, and that's exactly what I'm talking about in the ABCs of Growing Your Practice, a program that you need to check. I know a lot of healing practitioners who are struggling because of lack of business and marketing skills. I'm offering you the best I found to grow your practice exponentially, online marketing. So go to patientsmagnet.com/A. My new group is starting soon. See you there.